Hello and welcome back to the Luxury for Princess YouTube channel. My name is Melissa and I'm going to show you guys a really fun and easy wavy hair tutorial. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is clip in some of your Luxury for Princess hair extensions. I have a few in my hair right now just to give my hair a little bit more body. Next, I'm going to take a brush and just start brushing my hair out. I like to start from the ends. That way I don't pull at the extensions or rip any of my own hair out. You just want to make sure that you have absolutely no knots in your hair before you start doing any hairstyling. Okay, we are all nice and smooth. Now for today's tutorial, we are going to be using this Luxury for Princess luxury waver. I'm so excited to be showing you guys how to use this because it's probably one of the easiest styling tools you could ever use. It does all of the work for you. All you have to do is separate your hair. So it's already heated up to the perfect temperature, and now I'm going to start sectioning off my hair. All right, our hair is sectioned off now, and I'm gonna work my way from the bottom up. All right, so we'll start off with this bottom piece just so that I could show you guys how easy it is. This is already heated up. So you wanna start from the top of the hair, and all you're gonna do is clamp the top piece of your hair, and that is all. This iron is pretty hot, so you only need to leave it on for a few seconds until you keep moving down. Once it's been a few seconds, all you're gonna do is loosen that up and continue clamping the rest of the hair until you get to the very end. So as you can see, you have this very pretty wave. When your whole head is full of the waves, it's going to look so beautiful. So we're just gonna keep working our way up. All right, I'm gonna go over it with you guys one more time before we speed this video up. We're gonna start off with a straighter section. Take your luxury waver and we're gonna start from the very top of the hair. This is the easiest tutorial ever because pretty much you just let the luxury waver do the work for you. And after a few seconds, you just keep working your way down the hair. As you can see, I don't even really have to release the hair completely. After a few seconds, I loosen up the grip and slide the waver down the rest of my hair. And this is what you're left with. So guys, I'm going to speed up the rest of this tutorial and finish up the rest of my hair, but I will see you guys at the end. Voila, you guys, this is the final results. Isn't this look so fun? It's very easy because again, the luxury waver pretty much does the job for you. All you have to do is place it on your hair and work your way down, and you are left with these really beautiful waves. And what I love most about this hair tutorial is how full it makes your hair. So if you love volume, you are going to love this look. I hope you all enjoyed this hair tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you in the next one. Bye.